No one's ever wanted twice before, right?
You keep your baby safe no matter what. I'll help you do that. No, Judy, don't! Wait, no! I'll get there! You'll make it through, Judy!
Please don't come. Just stay there. Watch over her.
Judy,